Hello everyone and welcome to a new video by Adham Jalal. In this video we will use the function which is called sorted, and we'll know how it's made of, and we'll try making it ourselves. So firstly we will try using this sorted function. So we have a list unsorted here, and then we will sort it. So print sorted unsorted. So this is the way we use the unsorted list. We run it to see that it will give us a different order which is sorted. Now we want to use the functions ourselves. This may be a coding challenge, but it's very easy. So we'll create another list which is called sort and leave it empty for now, and then we will create a for loop for I equals 0 then unsorted. Okay, we will get the minimum value min value. We want to get the smallest value in this list. So to do this is that Python have a function which is called min function. Okay, so min value equals to min unsorted okay, and then we will put this minimum value in the sort dot append min value. So now the sort one have the first number, but in this way you will print only 10 because we want to delete the 10. So we have another list that with a different minimum value. So for example, we have the 10 is the minimum value, we'll put it here and delete it, and then we'll have the 30 is the minimum value, we'll put it here and delete it. Now the 50 and the 60. Okay, so we'll delete. Firstly we'll create a variable called place value equals to the minimum value equals to the unsorted dot index min value. Okay, and then we'll delete unsorted place value. So this index function is a function that gets the place where the tab is. So we'll get the place value of this tab, and then we'll delete it from the list. So this will go off, and then so like this the sorted is done, and then we'll print the unsorted first, and we'll print the sort. I will run this function. Here is it. Okay, but you noticed that we've made a mistake. What is it? That we printed the unsorted, so it's empty here. But why? Because we printed the unsorted after we deleted all of the numbers in it. So we want to take this off, and print it out. So we run it again. Here is it. So this is the unsorted list, and this is the sorted one. Okay, now we want to do something, so we will make the unsorted empty. Okay, and we will import the random. Okay, and we will say that value equals to random from 0 till 20, and we'll make a for loop for I in range 0 to 20. So I'll put in the unsorted random values and we will sort them also for in range 0 to 20. Wait a second. This must go into the for loop, okay, and then the unsorted dot append value, and so now we have 20 values in the list, which are sorted in the sorted. Thank you everybody. Thank you everybody for watching. Please, if you don't understand anything, write us in the comments below. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and like this video. And please, if you understand this video and it affected you, write us in the comments so we can make videos again. In the next video we will be saying how is the mean value created, and we'll create it together also, and we will put this piece of code when we create the mean value also. Okay, thank you for watching. Goodbye and goodbye.